What do French caterpillars, bus transfer tickets, and an Indian empire have in common? Pipe cleaners. They're a ubiquitous art supply, though if you're like me, you've never actually used one to clean a pipe. They're sometimes also called chenille stems because of their similarity to chenille yarn, which in turn derives its name from the French word for caterpillar. There have been plenty of devices used for cleaning smoking pipes, including this interesting 1895 patent by Frederick A. Frick of Rochester, New York, which has two fuzzy ends and a bare middle. Today's fully fuzzy pipe cleaners were invented in the early 1900s by John Harry Stedman and his business partner Charles Angell, both also from Rochester. Stedman was an experienced inventor, having previously invented the streetcar transfer ticket. The rights to Stedman and Angell's pipe cleaners were eventually bought by the B.J. Long Company, which still makes pipe cleaners to this day. Pipe cleaners meant for actually cleaning pipes are usually made of cotton, which is highly absorbent. Ones meant for arts and crafts tend to be made of polyester, which can be more brightly colored. Either way, fabric is wrapped around a twisted wire core and then cut to create fuzziness. In Japan, pipe cleaner art is called Mughal art, and is named for the Portuguese term Mughal for a particular kind of weaving. This is in turn named for the Mughal Empire in India. So these little fuzzy guys have a fun history and are very useful for making art or cleaning a smoking pipe. But what if you want to clean bigger pipes? If you have a clogged drain pipe, your plumber might have used one of these things called a plumber's snake. When they enter your plumbing, the metal snake coils up, forming an auger, which can pull any obstruction back out of the pipe. It can also break a larger obstruction into small pieces. Another solution is chemical drain cleaners. These usually contain a sodium hydroxide at a strong base, which can turn fat into soap and break down proteins in a clog of biological origin, for instance a hairball or a grease clog. These also contain particles of aluminum oxide, which react with the lye to produce hydrogen gas and heat that helps speed up the breakdown of the clog. The difficulty with chemical drain cleaners is finding a mixture that can destroy your pipe's clog without destroying your pipes themselves. And what if you want to clean the very largest pipes, like an oil or gas pipeline? Then you want to use a pig. A pipeline pig is a device inserted into a pipeline and pushed along by the flow of the fluid. Early pigs could be just a straw bale wrapped in barbed wire to scrape gunk off the inside of a pipeline. These made a squealing sound as the scraping happened and so were named pigs. Nowadays, there are highly sophisticated smart pigs that can record data on a pipeline as they travel through it using ultrasound or other instrumentation. So pigs, snakes, and caterpillars. Pick your favorite kind of pipe and get to cleaning it. Or just make some fun little crafts. And as always, thanks for watching.